I recently got this pullover, no, in Spain when I traveled. I only paid €2.50 for this. Ay nako talaga, and I really like it. And that's the thing, no, for winter clothes, etc. Talaga namang mahal and mawawala ka talaga sa budget. So that's a tip. You can actually shop sa mga flea markets or mga vintage shops para makatipid pa din talaga tayo. Kasi halimbawa, if you would go on website, no, if you would see a pullover around €20, mura na yun technically. An average pullover na maganda and then mapoprotektahan ka talaga sa lamig would range around from €20 to €40. I'm not talking about yung mga Shein, etc. Kasi I've tried buying from those pero talagang kailangan mo po din talaga ng protection kasi manipis siya. But really, ayun. So, ngayon, winter, no? Come spring, come summer, abangan mo ang mga flea market dyan malapit sa'yo and so that you would be able to save money as well. So, this is not bad. €2.50. Why not? Di ba si Ate Heart din, din siya, mahilig din siya sa mga vintage. Takot ka halimbawa dun sa mga previous na nagsuot ng damit mo, edi anuhan mo ng holy water. Charot!